আবার করতে হবে Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we have a very special guest with us. It's my mom! Hi. Today we are gonna do a very quick and easy glam up on her. She's going to an event and she wants to keep her look very simple yet very nice and modern and stunning and very glam. So let's get started. Alright, to prep her skin, I'm using the Clinique's Moisture Surge Moisturizer. It is a water-based moisturizer, so it's really good for all skin types. I'm applying it using a damp beauty blender all over her face and also down on her neck. For her eyes, I'm using the Origin's Ginseng Eye Brightening Eye Cream. It's a really good skincare must-have product. For a primer, I'm using the Benefit's Pore Freshener Primer. I'm not applying a lot of primer because my mom has pretty good skin and no blemishes, and I'm applying it just enough for the foundation to stick on. For a foundation, I'm mixing in two foundations, the MAC Mineralize and the Maybelline's Matte Foundation, the Poreless Matte Foundation. I'm applying it using a damp beauty blender and to keep her base really nice and minimal. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I'm applying it on the high points of her face and also under her eyes and also over her eyelids to use it as a base. And I'm blending it using a damp beauty blender till the concealer shade is nice and blended and seamless. I'm setting the concealer in place using the NYX HD and the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm using a powder brush to set it in place. I'm filling in her eyebrows using my Benefit's Brow Pencil in the shade number 4 and using a natural eyebrow shape as a guideline to fill in the sparse areas. For her eyeshadow, I'm using the Huda Beauty's Warm Brown Obsession palette, and I'm going to use that orangey shade in her crease, and I'm going to slowly build up the color as I go. Using the same fluffy brush, I'm going to take the red shade right over there and I'm going to intensify the crease area very slightly. Now I'm taking my Maybelline's Nudes palette and I'm using those two glitter shades right over there, mixing them in, taking them on a flat brush and slowly gliding it very gently on her eyelid. I'm using gentle patting and slight sweeping motion to apply the eyeshadow all over eyelid. I'm taking that brown shade right over there to intensify the outer crease. For her eyeliner, I'm using the IT Cosmetics No Tuck eyeliner. I think my mom was really having fun right here. She was asleep. She was relaxed and super chill. Look at her. Sleepy. For her mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is a really good waterproof mascara. It gives an illusion of false lashes. It's a really good drugstore product. Must have. For a bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm not bronzing a lot. I'm not controlling her face. I'm just giving it a very natural glow as if she has a very sun-kissed, glowing and dewy face. I'm applying it on the hollows of her cheeks, under her jawline, and also a little bit on her forehead. For a blush, I'm using the Benefit's California and I'm popping it on her cheekbones. Now my mom has really good cheekbones. I only have a potato of a face. I wish I had her cheekbones. I really have to contour too much to get cheekbones. Look at her smiling and happy. For a highlight, I'm using the Pixie by Petra palette and I'm popping on a champagne shade on her cheekbones. Mom? For her lipstick, I'm using her most favorite red lipstick that she cannot live without. It's Bows by Smashbox. To set the makeup in place, I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. This is the final look. Hope you guys had fun watching. I make new videos every Thursday. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye!